guys, Ali C here, and today I have 25 egg surprises from Angry Birds. We opened a couple earlier, so let's start opening them. What? No, do you want to open one?
Yes.
Okay. Your candy and a sticker of Yellow Bird.
The egg.
Here's the egg.
Wow.
Here's candy. And another sticker of Yellow Bird.
Oh, Yellow Bird.
You want to open this one?
No.
Here's a sticker of King Pig. Okay. There's a sticker of Bluebird and candy.
Egg.
Okay, no, it's the same sticker. The same sticker.
And candy.
And let's open yellow.
Open red.
Here's an egg. Here's a sticker of Yellow Bird. What are you doing? There you go. Okay. Here's a sticker of Red Bird. I'll see. Ow. And candy. Lots of candy. Candy. Another sticker of Red Bird. Let's open this one up. Candy. Sticker of Bluebird. What's this one? Candy, sticker of Red Bird. Candy, King Pig. Candy, sticker of King Pig. Candy, King Pig sticker. Candy, Bluebird sticker.
The egg.
And then sticker of King Pig and candy. Okay, now we have the golden egg. It said on the packaging to find the golden egg. Wait, I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. What's inside? Candy. What's this? It says, "You found it." Here, I'm just gonna show the sticker. Look at it. Not exciting. I thought there would be a toy. But here's all the things we got today. Lots of candy. Lots and lots of candy. Here's some candy. Pigs. And on the package it said fruit flavor.
Flavor.
Fruit flavor. This is tastes like watermelon. Gosh, that's so hard. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Noah. Come on.
Bye.